Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to tint Dodge Challenger back window, only way. Start by measuring the rear glass and cutting the film slightly oversized so you can trim to the exact shape later. Clean the glass thoroughly with a lint-free cloth and alcohol solution to remove all oils and debris. Work in a dust-free space and lay out tools for a smooth, controlled install process from start to finish. Before you touch the tint, prepare the Challenger by parking in shade and ensuring the cabin is cool and clean. Remove rear deck covers and any fasteners that block the film edges so you can access the full glass perimeter. Lay out your film, squeegee, and heat gun within easy reach, and peel the backing slowly while keeping the adhesive side protected until you position the film on the glass. Carefully position the pre-cut film on the wet glass and tack the top edge to verify alignment, then let the water move beneath the film while you smooth. Work from the center outward with a felt squeegee to push water and air out toward the edges. Use short bursts of heat to conform film around curves, stretching gently where needed, and trim excess with a sharp blade before final heat shrink and edge sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.